Hello, welcome to Wardegrave School's History Department. This is a short presentation to outline the history course we offer at Wardegrave School. So first of all, what kind of person is well suited to History A-Level? Well, if you can answer yes to the following 4 questions, then you should consider studying history for A-Level. Are you inquisitive about people and the past? Do you like to discover why things happen? And are you prepared to investigate and find things out for yourself? And are you prepared to challenge yourself, work hard, and read widely? If you can answer yes to all of those, then you should definitely consider studying history at A-Level. So, if you were to come to Wardegrave, these are the current units of study. In Year 12, you would spend 2 lessons a week studying Russia in the 20th century, and you would spend 2 lessons a week studying the period of Mao's China. In Year 13, you would do a Tudor course, which is titled Rebellion and Disorder under the Tudors, and you will also complete a separate piece of coursework, which comprises of a 4,000-word essay. I will just pause now and give you just a moment to read a bit more about the Russia course. And here are a few details about the China course. And then finally, a few details on the Tudor course. At the end of Year 13, in your final exams, you would take 3 exams. You would have 1 Russia exam, a China exam, and then a Tudor exam, and that comprises 80% of the total qualification, and then 20% of your A-Level is based on your coursework. And the exams are a mixture of essay and source type questions. So a typical A-Level exam question would look something like this. The role of the People's Liberation Army was the key factor in establishing communist rule in China in the years 1949 to 1957. How far do you agree? So this is fairly similar to questions you might be used to at GCSE level, especially the 16-mark questions. It's what we call a stated factor question. So you would examine the role of the People's Liberation Army in the first part of your essay, and in the rest of your essay, you would consider the role of other key factors that played a part in establishing communist rule before reaching a judgment overall. If you do decide to join Wardegrave School to study History A-Level, you would need to get yourself some folders, 1 folder for each of the units of some course, some A4 paper, and some subject dividers. There are also textbooks we ask you to purchase, 2 textbooks in Year 12, and those textbooks you can see on the screen. You've got 1 textbook published by Hodder called Communist States, and there's another textbook published by Pearson, also called Communist States. And we ask you to buy both of those textbooks. And then in Year 13, you can see there is 1 Tudor textbook, which you'll also need to purchase. Hopefully you enjoy reading history, and here are some great books that you might fancy reading over the summer. I can particularly recommend the first 2 books, Mao's Last Dancer and Wild Swans. They are both fantastic histories of kind of 20th century China. The kind of things we do in class won't be dissimilar to the kinds of things you're used to at GCSE level. So, note-taking activities, sorting activities, debates, source analysis, reading articles, and obviously writing essays. And we provide a whole range of resources to support you. We have a very well resourced online web page where we put all of our lessons. You've also got access to model essays, interesting articles, revision guides, videos, and much, much more. And then finally, history is a great subject to study. You can read the extract from this recent report about the employability of history students and what their future destinations are. Thank you for listening.